My name's Caleb. I'm from a company called Aphelion Entertainment. We are Calgary-based, and today we're presenting our debut game, Splashdown. It's a top-down shooter, semi-on rails. You're a kid in a lazy river fighting evil inflatables with your water gun. We've been developing this for almost a year in the Godot engine, and it's been a blast. We love working in Godot, and we currently have a Steam page that only got put up like a week ago. It's been a lot of fun to kind of figure out that side of things as well. There's a lot of learning experiences going on here. We almost have our vertical slice, all of like the main components of the game ready to go. And what we're really doing here right now is just getting feedback, making sure that things feel good, and seeing what people's sticking points are so that we can address them before we then, sooner than later, move into probably an early access release and just drumming up a little bit of excitement and exposure. GameCon Canada's been awesome. We've loved being here so far, and we're really happy to see that a lot of people have great things to say and just are having a good time, not only with our game, but with everybody else's games here. There's so much talent here, so much excitement. It's so awesome to be here, especially as kind of our first ever appearance.